Hello and welcome to the Hard Reset channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to add your own voice as guidance in Waze app. Do it, simply open the app, move to the settings, open voice and sound option, and you'll see Waze voice. Click it, add a voice, and accept safety warning. Yep, okay. Now add your voice lines. Let's all set, let's go.
All set, let's go.
Okay, maybe. Now click save and done. Okay, fine. We added our voice to Waze guidance. If you find this video helpful, click like and subscribe to this channel. See you next time.